Hi, this is Jitesh Satyan. WhatsApp number +91 9656611 Today's short talk is part of a series on stages in the spiritual progress of an aspirant. We'll cover the following as part of this series: 10 bulls of Zen based on pictures of Kakuan, 10 ox herding in Zen based on pictures of Subun, the elephant path in Mahamudra tradition, Saptolasa or 7 stages in Parashurama Kalpa Sutra, the general progress stages in Hinduism, Christianity, and Buddhism, and Tantric Devatas for stage progress with Tantra. The key message is not to be let down at a specific stage of spiritual progress, as everyone makes progress only with practice. I will start with the 10 bulls of Zen based on pictures of Kakuan. In search of the bull. So stage 1 is searching for the bull. Verse: in the pasture of the world, I endlessly push aside the tall grasses in search of the bull. Following unnamed rivers, lost upon the interpenetrating paths of distant mountains, my strength failing and my vitality exhausted, I cannot find the bull. The symbolism here is bull is the inner peace of mind that is to be found to realize the self. The desires are the tall grasses in which bull is lost. Spiritual journey and experiences, which is unique to the individual, is unnamed rivers and paths with mountains. So, in stage 1, in pursuit of realization, a seeker who is lost in worldly desires attempts multiple inner journeys. The seeker only gets frustrated in this stage as the bull is not found in spite of multiple attempts. Many just limit themselves to reading or other self satisfying routine, or deny the need for spiritual pursuit, or quit the spiritual pursuit after pondering for some time. In this stage, or even worse, start preaching and misguiding others about the bull they have not found. So, this is stage 1, where it is searching for the bull. Stage 2, discovery of the footprints. Verse: along the river bank, under the trees, I discover footprints. Even under the fragrant grass, I see his footprints. Deep in remote mountains, they are found. These traces can no longer be hidden than one's nose looking heavenward. The symbolism here: footprints of bull are the impressions or apparent attributes of self. The impression is happiness or ananda. Paths along rivers, trees, and mountains are, as in earlier verse, is the spiritual journey and inner experiences. Grass, as in the previous symbolism, means desires, even in this verse. So, what is this stage? This involves discovery of footprints. So, mind wanted to be in comfort zone for those who got stuck in stage 1. They did not pursue hard to find the bull and heeded to being clouded by materialistic desires like many others without remaining consistent in the pursuit. But in stage 2, those seekers who keep overcoming the barriers put by the senses finds the bull's footprints. They find the footprints in grass, riverbanks, and trees there. So, the footprint being happiness or ananda, they find that what they really seek leaves happiness as impression. That is, the goal they seek gives happiness. And on looking closer, this impression can also be found in grass or materialistic desires and spiritual experience or pursuits. as seeking across riverbanks. This needs a bit more explanation. So, a person who wants a new car is in essence seeking happiness as the car ownership brings happiness to the person. A person who wants to take a foreign trip is also seeking happiness under the desire. So, car, trip, all these desires or grass also has footprints. The spiritual attempts are also providing happiness. So, the footprints are no longer hidden. It is understood as the attribute of self and experienced in everything. In many cases, people who have discovered footprints also fall back to stage 1 due to change in circumstances like marriage, lack of finance, sudden grief, or some other external environment influence. So, we looked into 2 stages. First was search for the bull, that was stage 1. Stage 2 was discovery of the footprints. The bull is still not found. Only discovery of footprints happens in stage 2. Thanks for listening.